which are starting from the real numbers and this chapter 1. We are starting with the Euclid's division algorithm theory. And now we are algorithm division theory is the HCF. To find the HCF in a easily way. That's we have questions of exercise 1.1 which we will discuss in this lecture. That's question number 1. 135 and 225. Find the HCF of this from the Euclid's division algorithm. That's go. That's a question number first, 135 and 225. Now we are starting with the greater number, which are the greater number 225, as we seen in the comparison between the 135 and 225. That's we apply the division lemma to 225 and 135. That's we have seen that when we are divisible with this, we are simply divide 225 and 135. Okay, then when we divide this, we got the 90 as the remainder. Then we can find this divisor is equal to quotient into dividend plus remainder. That's a formula for this. And when till now when we are not getting the 0 as the remainder, then we are using this Euclid lemma. Then since remainder we are not getting when we divided this, we are not getting remainder as the 90, which is not equal to the 0. Then after this we are applying 90. After this we are finding the 90 by the Euclid division lemma, and we are see here that we are factorize 90. That's factorization of the 90. We are choosing the two numbers from which we can multiply two numbers and then get one number. Okay, so after this we are a pair of the three numbers and one left numbers. Okay, then we have seen that 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45, 45 into 20 plus 0. Then we are seeing that the remainder as a part of 0. Then when we get remainder as the 0, then its Euclid division lemma has been completed. Since now the point of the find of the HCF, what will the HCF? HCF mainly what will we get from this factorization? That's which are the greater number of this. Then we are finding the greater number which are the becomes our HCF. That we are seeing there 45 into 20. That's 45 is the greater number. That's it is the factorization of this and becomes the HCF of this whole two numbers 135 and 225. Now the question has been solved. Okay. After this, second question 196 and 38,220. Okay. Now we are starting with this, that which are the greater number of this from the 196. We are divide this and we are finding that the remainder becomes the 0 in first time when we are now comes on next page. 38,220, which we will get from the 196 into 195, as we have seen here that remainder will be get the 0. That's it. It's a step completed in the Euclid division lemma. That's which are the greater number. That are the greater number 196. 196 becomes the HCF of that's two numbers. Now question has been solved. Okay. Now come on the third question. 867 and 255. Okay. We have seen that 867 is the greater number. That's we have divided the greater number from the smaller number. Okay. Then 255. 867 divisible by 3. 102. That's we have written in the form of the Euclid division lemma. Okay. This is the divisor, quotient, dividend, and this remainder. This formula applying this on this we get 102. 102 not becomes equal to the 0. That's after 102. Now we are factorize 102 and in the only two multiple digit form. Okay, 51 into 2 plus 0 becomes the 102. That's remainder we get 0. That's Euclid division lemma process has been completed. Now till yet, that's we are when whatever the greater number, as we have seen that the 51 is becomes the HCF of that's two numbers. Okay, now we are coming on the next question, question number second. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form of the 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 when q is some integer. Any positive odd integer is the form. We have seen that when we are multiplying any number, as we have seen that when we are in general 2q plus 1 मेनली, जैसे हमने पुट किया 2q प्लस 1, q की वैल्यू अगर हम 1 पुट कर रहे हैं देन 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1, ठीक है. तो 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1 क्या हुआ, 3 हुआ. तो 3 हमारा जो है ये ऑड नंबर बन गया. अगर इसमें हम प्लस 1 ऐड नहीं कर रहे हैं, ओनली 2q लिख रहे हैं, देन अगर हम q की वैल्यू आपकी कितनी रख दे रहे हैं, 1 रख दे रहे हैं, तो क्या मिलेगा, 2 मिलेगा. दैट्स अ इवन नंबर. दैट्स वी गेट द इवन एंड ऑड नंबर. ये क्या कह रहा है कि अगर ऑड इंटीजर है तो इस फॉर्म में होगा, यानी कि प्लस 1 प्लस 3 प्लस 5 इस फॉर्म में, ठीक है. और ये मल्टीपल किसका होगा, इवन नंबर का. तो अगर ये इवन नंबर का मल्टीपल होगा और प्लस हो रहा है, ठीक है, किससे, ऑड नंबर से, जैसे 1 हुआ, 3 हुआ, 5 हुआ, और इवन नंबर आगे आएगा. जैसे मैं देख रहा हूं सिंपली यहाँ पर 2q प्लस 1 है, ठीक है. तो अगर हम यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा, जैसे कि हम फॉर्मूला हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं, E इज इक्वल टू 6q प्लस आर. ओके, तो 6q प्लस आर, और उसके बाद जो है E इज इक्वल टू 6b प्लस आर, ठीक है, क्योंकि फॉर्मूला, जनरल फॉर्मूला तो यही होता है, E इज इक्वल टू 6b प्लस आर. ओके, तो एज वी हैव सीन दैट E इज इक्वल टू 6b प्लस आर, यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा मीन्स डिवाइजर इज इक्वल टू dividend into divisor plus remainder. That's we have applied. E is equal to 6b plus r means 6. A is equal to 6b plus r. Okay, that's E is equal to 6b plus r when q greater than or is equal to 0. R, if we take the value of r, because we have find the 6b, that's after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 less than the 6, because less than 6 value are applicable at this point. Now put the value of r. If r is equal to 0, then E is equal to 6q. That's now I am putting the value of r and finding the value of A. In the general formula, A is equal to 6b plus r is equal to 0, then 6b. Thank you all of guys. That's the question ends.